In this video, I'll show you how to close the register. So this is your till page. To go here, click on the menu and then select till. To close your register, click on the edit icon beside your register to view the till details. On this page, click on suspend and then click apply. Next, click till count end of day and enter in the total amount of your till. And then click apply. You will then be asked to provide a reason code, then click submit. A chit will then be printed to record the till movement that you did. You will notice that you have a variance of 100. Now for this example, let's say you found the missing cash on your counter. What you need to do is click till recount end of day and then enter the misplaced cash. Click apply and provide a reason. You will see that the variance is now 0. Now just click close and then click apply. Provide a reason and just click done once you are finished. And that's how you close the register. That's it for this video. Feel free to visit our website for more information.